One of the expected benefits of a Pentium-based machine is improved network performance. So here to show us Pentium power in a client machine and a server is Steve Brejo of ALR. Steve, let me back up and take a look at the monitor here on your ALR Evolution machine. And I take it this is a demonstration of the processing power you're getting out of this Pentium.
That's right, Stuart. We have Windows NT running on this particular machine. You can see the multi-threaded operations running, the different boxes doing their own thing on their different windows.
All right, so there's lots of computation-intensive applications going on simultaneously, as you say here in the multi-threading. Explain the architecture inside the machine that's allowing you to get this maximum power out of the Pentium.
Okay, to that we'll go into this graphic. What we have is the Pentium processor here in the middle being fed literally on reads and writes out of a very large cache, 512K, at 64-bit transfers. To pump that data to the bus architectures, both an ESA bus and a VL bus, we use an intermittent funnel, 64-bit data funnel. This is how we achieve high throughput of data processing.
Now, what are the basic objects you're trying to accomplish in the architecture underneath the Pentium?
Okay, to do that, I'd like to go over here and show you the actual items.
So this is your server model?
That's right. This is the Evolution 5Q. Over here on the left, we have the Pentium processor. Comes in 60 or 60 megahertz clock speeds. The 512K cache that is very important in a Pentium design is located here. The high-performance memory subsystem to the right are 64 megs of memory. 16 megs is standard. 1 gigabyte is the maximum on this particular model. We have in the upper right-hand corner the 10 ESA bus slots. The top three have the Visa VL local bus slots. So you see in this system we've covered all of Intel's must-haves. 64-bit bus, the high level 2 secondary cache, a high-performance memory subsystem, and VL bus capability.
So that's got to be the whole picture to get that Pentium really cranking at its max.
That's right.
All right, let's go around the front here, and can you show me the front of the box here?
Okay. In the front of the box, we really have quite a bit of expandability. At the top, I have 2 3.25-3.5-inch drive bays. Below, I have 11 5.25 drive bays. Here, I've configured the system with a CD-ROM, a tape backup, and a number of removable SCSI drives.
So these are removable drives, which we can crank out here.
That's right. These are hot swappable in a SCSI environment.
Right. All right. What's the price story on these things? Say, let's start over here with getting this little guy over here to get me a Pentium box, a basic one.
Our entry-level models start at $24.95 for a base model. Most of our users and our resellers will configure our equipment to their specifications. A fully configured model like the one you see in front of you is about $34.95.
Steve, you've been selling these for a couple of months now. Who is buying Pentium machines? What kind of users are out there making this investment?
Recently we did a customer survey and asked a lot of our users, what have you configured your Pentiums with? What types of applications are you running? We're finding interesting applications like neural networks, artificial intelligence, satellite tracking, obviously high-end CAD. They're getting the network performance, financial analysis, and those types of things.
Sure, the thing that's really taking the computational power.
That's right.
All right, thank you very much.